What's new in Visual Studio? November 2025 updates. Level up your development experience with the latest enhancements rolling out in Visual Studio. Here's what's new to help you code faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Visual Studio 2026 is here. The latest version is now generally available, bringing performance boosts, a refreshed UI, and major advancements in AI-driven development to streamline your workflow. GitHub Cloud Agent Preview. Q. Now, in Preview, the Cloud Agent can handle repetitive and time-consuming tasks for you. Just enable it from the Copilot badge, then Settings and Options, and then Coding Agent to get started. Copilot actions via Context menu. Interact with Copilot instantly, no typing needed. Right-click, choose an action, and let Copilot assist you directly from your context menu. Copilot intent detection for all-in-one search. The updated "Did you mean?" suggestions help you find more relevant results, especially when search results are empty or the top match isn't quite right. Stay tuned for more Visual Studio updates.